But my favorite memory is, really with my mom, going to the garden, cutting down, the stock, and helping her clean the greens.
My mother loved to cook, and one of the items she loved to cook was collard greens.
Growing up, we sat on the porch, shelling peas and picking greens.
When they come here, they say, Miss Lorene, this reminds me of when my mother used to cook.
The reason we called her Chief is that she didn't like anyone in the kitchen with her when she's cooking. So my job was to go buy it and bring it home.
It's important to the Woodson to host the Tampa Bay Collard Green Festival because of what it represents.
I mean, it's bringing an entire city, an entire community together on one accord.
The collard green itself represents African American history in so many ways.
When the first slaves arrived in Virginia, the collard greens was a part of their staple food.
I think it was more than anything a staple dish because it was easy to grow.
It's just that item that brings the entire meal together.
Chief's Creole Cafe cooks the best collard greens in town, period.
Well, I mean, obviously we do. You got to get them over here at Callaloo.
I am the collard green queen, hands down.
On behalf of the Tampa Bay Collard Green Festival, we make great greens.